Everybody, I wanted to take us through our new Powerschool page. It looks a little bit different, so I just wanted to kind of lead us through it really quick. This will be a welcome video that I will post on our page as well. So the first thing you might notice is that our name changed. So I wanted to keep it very similar. Our title is Super Second Grade, but then it just says Miss Tinsley, so you know you're in the right class. The next thing we'll look at is our daily schedule. So this is the schedule that we follow in school that we also want to be following at home, because we should be doing 5 to 6 hours of work. So that includes lessons that I'm teaching as well as work that you guys are doing at home, any assignments or worksheets that you're doing on Seesaw. It should add up to 5 to 6 hours. So our daily schedule is right here. So 8:30 to 9:15, we have our morning meeting. So that means we'll have our morning meeting at 8:30. And if you notice, I included our Zoom link right in here. So all you need to do is click on morning meeting. After the morning meeting, you'll work on morning work. From 9 to 10:30, we have math, with our math lesson being at 9:15. And after our math lesson, you'll do any math assignments in Dreambox. 10:30 to 10:50 is science, health, or history. We won't have it every day, and I will post when we have it. And I'll show you how I'll do that in just a second. 10:50 to 11:55 is recess and lunch. So that is the time for you guys to take a break, go outside, dance a little, color, eat a good lunch. That is your time for a break, okay? 12 o'clock to 1:50, we have ELA and phonics. So at 12:05, we'll do our ELA lesson. After that, you'll work on phonics, or not on phonics, sorry, you'll work on your ELA. After that, at 1:15, we will have our phonics Zoom meeting, and that will start Tuesday. So starting Tuesday, the 1:15 Zoom meeting is a mandatory meeting, okay? And then you'll do phonics assignments, and then you can read on Epic, or reading A to Z, as well as getontyping.com. 1:50 to 2:10, that's another time to take a little break, relax a little bit, do something not on technology, maybe read a book, read a physical book. You could do a lot of different things. Take a little break though, and then at 2:10 to 2:50, we will do specials. And that leads me to our next point. So our special schedule is posted right next to our daily schedule. And I will update this every single week. So that means you should be checking that special teacher's page at 2:10 on the day that you have them. So Monday, today, you should be checking Mr. Peterson's page, and it will have his email on his page if you need to contact him. I don't have access to any of our special teacher pages, so make sure if you guys have questions that you are contacting the special teacher. So Monday is music, Tuesday is gym, Wednesday is art, Thursday is music, and Friday is gym. So that is our schedule for this week. Like I said, I will update it for next week. Below here, this week is College Go Week, so I have a little info, a little picture, and I'll click on it, about where I went to school, where I went to college, so you can learn a little bit about where I went. We have our calendar down here, and then here's our info about College Go Week. So normally when I have info, I will either post it above or below our daily schedule. If it's really important, I'll be right above it. But even if it's below it, it's still important. So make sure you are checking the whole page. After that, we have things that you saw before, our Zoom etiquette, my Get to Know Me page, Epic Code, Class Dojo. Make sure you join this if you have not already. I have a few parents who have joined. I have quite a few who haven't. So if you could click this link, we can get you set up. And then we have other teachers from around the school, as well as a translator line. I will be creating a parent information page, and that is where our translator picture will go as well. So the last thing I want to talk about is over to the side, our setup is a little bit different. Before we had math, ELA, and all the different subjects, and you would have to find the week we were on and then the day. I wanted to make that a little bit simpler for you guys. So as you can see, I just have the days of the week over here. So Monday, 9/21, if you miss one of our Zoom meetings on Monday, that means all you need to do is click on the arrow and then click on the subject. So right now, I'm going to click on it and there's nothing there right now. But you will do that for every day of the week. You can find exactly what you missed. All you need to do is click on the arrow and then go to the correct subject. So I think it's a little bit easier to navigate. And I will also be updating this every week as well. So make sure you're checking out the date and then clicking on the arrow. But yes, so this is our new, this is kind of our new page. It looks a little bit different. Hopefully it doesn't look too different to you, but I wanted to make it a little bit easier to use.